Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we're going to discuss about one stock which I believe is going to grow from this level. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to tell you that this is not an investment advice. Please do your own research. Alright, so before we start, the name of the stock is Parag Milk Foods Limited. So let me tell you why I believe that this stock is going to move up from the current level. Okay, so let's look at the financial statements of this company for last 10 years. We can see that there is a consistent growth of revenue till the pre-COVID levels over here, post which there was a drop in revenue, which we understand should be due to COVID. If we move on to profit before tax, there was consistent, you can see there is a consistent growth in profits also, which is again, if you see at pre-COVID levels, it has come down. So let us see how the company is currently doing. What is the quarter-wise revenue in these two current quarters, which is the financial year ended 22. There are two results which I can see right now. So I can see that slowly the company is picking up the momentum, and the quarter two results were comparatively good, and which I can see is better than and is almost equivalent to the pre-COVID levels revenue. And if I move on to profit before tax, yes, there is good profit before tax, and which is more or less equivalent to the pre-COVID levels PBT. So yes, slowly and steadily the company is moving to where it was in March 2020, and I can see for the quarter ended September 21, the revenue and the PBT also is growing to the lines which was more or less at the pre-COVID levels. So which is a very good sign. Okay, so let us now understand about Parag Milk Foods Limited. Okay, so Parag Foods is into 100% fresh cow milk and milk products under various brands. Oh, yes, it has 10 product categories. It is the second largest player in cheese in India with a 35% market share. It is a leader in cow ghee category with its brand Govardhan Ghee, which I think almost all of us know about Govardhan Ghee. It is India's first company to launch a truly made in India B2C whey protein powder under brand Avatar in 2017. So I'm sure most of you all must be aware about whey protein also. Its cheese plant has the largest production capacity in India with a raw cheese production capacity of 40 MT per day. So I can see that there are a lot of known brand of this particular company which is out there in the market. Okay. Okay, now let us see about the manufacturing facilities of the company. The company's manufacturing facilities are strategically located in the richest milk belt. One is in Maharashtra, one is in Andhra Pradesh, one is in Sonapat, Haryana. Okay, now this is interesting. Acquisition of Danone facility. It has acquired a Sonipat facility from Danone Food, which is a very big company, and which commenced its operation in August 28. It currently has milk and curd processing unit. Okay, new plans. So let us see about what are the growth plans of the company. Its future plan is to install processing unit at newly acquired Sonipat facility for pouch milk, cup curd, etc., and expand the existing yogurt facility. It intends to have the health and nutrition business at 7% of its portfolio in the medium term and derive its profitability and growth for both cheese and whey business. Okay, so we can see that the revenue of the company is increasing. There are new plans which the company has. There are two positive signs about this company. Okay, so let us also see the shareholding pattern of the company. So we can see there is a reduction in the percentage of the promoters, which was around 46.20%, which has come down to 40.75. Let us see which all promoters have, in which all promoters there is a reduction. Okay, so Devendra Prakash Shah, Pritam Prakash Shah, and Netra Pratim Shah, and there is there is slight reduction in other promoter shares also. So what has happened? Let us see. Okay, so if we see the domestic investment, so International Finance Corporation has bought in some shares of Parag. Okay, 6 cents India Opportunity Fund 3 and 2 has also uh, bought in shares of Parag. 6 cents in last 1 or 2 years they have done quite a lot of investment in mid cap growing funds, mid and small cap growing funds. Okay, so which is a very good sign. So I can see that promoters have not sold their shares over here. Uh, so there is a dilution of shares, dilution of promoter shares, uh, which is, you can see that was due to additional allotment which was done to 6 cents and International Finance Corporation. So guys, just to summarize this video, we saw that we saw about the past trends of the company, in which we saw that the revenue and the PBT of the company is growing, and in the current quarters we can see that the company is slowly moving towards its pre-COVID levels. We also saw about the brands of the company, which are well-known brands. Okay, yes, and there are quite a lot of new plans which the company has, which is also a good sign in terms of the demand which the company has. We also saw about the investments which the company had in the past, in the recent past. So just to summarize, these are few indicators which shows that the company is moving towards higher level. Let us also see how the company clocks in the current quarter. So guys, do like and subscribe the channel. If you have liked this video, this would motivate me to have more such videos in the future. Thanks a lot.